Welcome back. The Chief Officer of Murmugaon has admitted of not being alert while signing the controversial transfer of house tax. However, the illegal house tax order was later revoked when Prudent highlighted the issue. It is still uncertain whether the transfer of house tax was deliberate or a genuine mistake.
After receiving of a complaint, we checked it again, we have cancelled it. So it doesn't stand in the name of a dead person anymore. It has not been transferred. The transfer that was effected has been cancelled.
Chief Officer says there are a lot of papers to be regularly monitored and hence the work becomes unmanageable.
We do per day, it crosses at least about 40 to 50 per day.
It may be recalled that Prudent had exposed how there was an illegal transfer of house tax between two parties at Murmugaon municipality. Councillor Tara Kerkar had alleged that the brother of a councillor was involved in this act. Kerkar also alleged that the bribe of 1.5 lakhs was accepted by the so-called brother of a councillor. Are there no proper checks by the chief officer or by the municipal workers while signing official documents? Or is it that municipal workers and authorities are hand in glove with this illegality? Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
Now news from sports. I-League leaders Churchill Brothers scored an important victory in their bid for the title. The Reds beat Pune Football Club by 2-1 in a floodlit match at Tilak Stadium on Friday. Binish Balan and Sunil Chetri scored 1 goal each for Churchill.
We get underway here at the Tilak Maidan. 3 games in a week. In the heat, no one anticipated it though. Derek Pereira got Henri in support. Henri, still Henri. Couldn't get a clean. Pierre. That's a pretty mean defence. Now here, Sunil Chetri. Can Henri get the shot away? No, he can't. Go for Churchill Brothers. He's looking for someone to get into that area. Pune defence, and that's what Bilal is so good at, but a missed kick there by the goalkeeper, and this could allow Churchill Brothers the opener. Yes, it does! And it's the substitute, Balan. I must say, oh, here's Sunil Chetri! What a finish with his left foot. Churchill Brothers, in the space of just a few minutes, are 2-0 up, courtesy of the Indian captain Sunil Chetri. Churchill come away with it now. Long ball from Balan for Henri, and the goalkeeper has come a long way out of his area. Can Henri finish this? Cleared off the line by Chico Ali. Going as far as Pierre. It's fallen nicely now for Pune. Sandeep Nandi gets it at the second attempt. It's going to be a tough final few minutes, and there is the first for Pune. Jerry rifles it past Sandeep Nandi. Final whistle here at the Tilak Maidan.
Goa Football Association President Srinivas Dempo believes small-sized stadia like Tilak and Dhuler will boost the youth development in the state. Tilak Stadium at Vasco has been upgraded to FIFA standards, while plans are afoot to install floodlights at Dhuler Stadium in Mapsa.
After opening the upgraded Tilak Stadium on Thursday evening, GFA President Srinivas Dempo thanked the government for its support to football.
All the ground conditions subscribe to FIFA, AFC and the AIFF regulations. So that is even more pleasing for Goa. Goa, to tell you, is going to be the only state in the country which will have a full-fledged ground with 2 grounds with all the facilities. We are also trying to upgrade Dhuler. We have requested, or we are rather going to request help from the government of Goa to give us floodlights for the Dhuler stadium. So if we have 2 stadiums of a size of between 5,000 to 7,000, I think it will be great for the Goan teams and particularly for the grassroots development. It's very difficult for kids to go all the way to one stadium. So if we have 1 or 2 stadiums in the north and 1 or 2 stadiums in the south, I think it will do a great job for grassroots development.
Meanwhile, Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar has confirmed that the turf at Tilak will be relaid for the next season.
अजून आमकां तें प्ले फील्ड डेवलप करपाचें आसा आनी लीग मॅचीस सोंपले उपरांत की आमी प्ले फिल्डाचें सुद्दां काम घेतलें.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.